Students, welcome once again to the Owl Academy of Education. Today we will start class 7 ICSE Math fraction lesson 3, that is fractions, right? That is fractions. In our earlier videos you have seen the videos on chapter 2, that was rational numbers, that were on rational numbers. Now we will start fractions. Before we proceed into the this chapter, we should know some basic terms, right? These basic terms are, first of all, like fractions, like fractions. You know, a fraction is having a numerator and a denominator, right? The fractions having same denominator. What are like fractions? The fractions having same denominator, like 8 by 11, 7 by 11, 5 by 11, and so on, right? Now, unlike fractions, are those having different denominator. Fractions having different denominator, right? They could be anything like 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 5 by 11, 6 by 13, etc. Right? They are unlike fractions. Now, unit fractions. Unit fractions, fractions having 1 as numerator. The fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions, like 1 upon 6, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 8, etc. So on. Alright, now we move on to proper fractions. Proper fractions, a fraction having its numerator less than its denominator. Right? These are proper fractions, like 3 upon 5, 11 upon 15. Condition here is numerator is less than the denominator. 17 upon 19, and so on. Right? Now we will move on to the next fractions. they are improper fractions. Improper fractions, here numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. Numerator greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fractions, right? Like 9 upon 11, ठीक है, 8 upon 5, 11 upon 5 are all improper fractions. Now we will move on to mixed fractions. Mixed fraction, a mixed fraction can be expressed as a mixed fraction can be expressed as a sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. ठीक है, a mixed fraction can be expressed as a sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 3 upon 5. Here 2 is its whole number, 3 upon 5 is fraction. Now how we will represent it? Whole number out, fraction part separate. A mixed fraction can be expressed as sum of natural number or whole number and a proper fractions, right? 9 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 plus 1 by 2, right? Now we will move on to multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of a fraction. Now multiplication means product of fractions is equal to product of numerators upon product of denominator, right? Suppose we have two fraction a upon b and we want to multiply it by c upon d. Product of numerators a multiplied c, product of denominator b multiplied d. Right, students? Now we will move into the exercise 3A. This was all basic things you have to know. Now we will do the actual exercise. Exercise, that is 3A. Now first question is find the product. Find the product, right? First is 5 upon 6 multiplied 3 upon 7. If you can make it simple, then make it, otherwise product of numerators, product of denominators, right? 5 1 ja 5, 2 7 ja 14. This is your first part. Now you will do second, your own easy. See third. 28 multiplied 7 upon 8. We will make it fraction by putting 1 for your convenience, right? Make it simple. 14 2 ja 4 2 ja 7 2 ja 2 2 ja, right? 7. Now we can't make it more simple. 7 7 ja 49, 2 1 ja 2. This is your answer, right? Now we will move on to the next part, that is fifth. 4 you will do your own. 2 1 multiply 25 5 upon 70, right students? Now this is a mixed fraction. We will make it simple or proper fraction. 25 1 ja 25, 20 multiply it by it, 25 2 ja 50, 50 plus 1 51, right? We have to multiply this, product have to be added in it. 25 2 ja 50 plus 1, 51 upon 25 multiplied 5 upon 70. Now make it more simple. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 7 1 ja 17 1 ja 17, 17 3 ja 51. Now no more simple than product of numerator. 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5, right? Next one is sixth. You will do your own, and seventh you will do your own. Now we will move on to question 8th. 7 1 by 4 multiplied 7 upon 58 multiplied 1 11 upon 21, right? Now 4 7 are 28 plus 1 29 by 4 multiplied 7 upon 58 multiplied 21 1 are 21 plus 11 32 upon 11. Now 29 1 ja 29, 29 2 ja 58, 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Now no more simple. Product of numerators. 1 7 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28, 1 1 ja 1, 11 ja 11. This is our answer. Make it mixed. 11 2 ja 22, 22 plus 6 28, 11. This is our final answer. 11 2 ja 22 plus 6 28, right students? Now we will move on to the question 9th. Now we will move on to question 9th, that is 1 upon 19 multiplied 91 multiplied 5 11 upon 13, right? Put 1 for your convenience here. 1 upon 19 multiplied 19 upon 1 multiplied 13 5 is 65 plus 11 76 upon 13. 19 1 is 19, 19 4 is 36, 13 1 is 13, 7 13 7 is 91, 7 4 is 28 upon 1 equal to 28 is your. You will do 10th of your own. Now we will move on to question number 11th. A car can travel 12 1/2 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance can it travel in 42 3 upon 5 liter of petrol? ठीक है, travel in 1 liter of petrol equal to 12 1 upon 2 kilometer, right? Travel in 42 3 upon 5 equal to make it proper fraction, 42 5 ja 210 plus 1 213 by 5 liter of petrol equal to 12 1/2 multiplied 213 upon 5. 12 2 24 plus 1 25 upon 2 multiplied 213 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 25, 13 5 ja 65, 10 upon 2. Make it mixed fraction, 5 32 upon 2 kilometer, right? This is the answer. Now we will move on to the next question, that is question number 12. Here a graphic designer charges 27 rupees 27 3 upon 5 for each diagram. Find the amount he will charge if he designs 186 diagrams for a book, right? Now charge for one diagram, how much? Rupees 27 3 upon 5. Only one diagram he charges here, 27 3 upon 5. Make it proper fraction, 27 5 ja 135, 135 plus 3 130 rupees 138 upon 5. Now charge for how many such diagrams? 186 diagrams. Less diagram, less amount, more diagram, more amount. For more we have to multiply. 138 upon 5 multiplied 186 upon 1. Now we can't make it more simple. Then we have to perform multiplication in the rough work. 138 upon multiplied 186. If you know the shortcut tricks to do the multiplication, you can easily do in just simple steps. Now 8 6 ja 48, 4 6 3 ja 18 plus 4 22, 8 8 ja 64, 22 plus 64. See again how I am doing it. 6 8 ja 48, 4. 6 3 ja 18 plus 4, 22. 8 8 ja 64 plus 22, 86. Now carry 8. We'll add it in next step. 6 1 ja 6 plus 8, 14. 8 1 ja 8, 14 plus 8, 22. 18 3 ja 24. Again see it here. 6 1 ja 6, 6 plus 8, 14. 8 1 ja 8, 6 1 ja 6, 6 plus 8, 14. 8 1 ja 8, 14 plus 8, 22. Now this 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 22, 46, 4. Now this will cut. 8 1 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3. 8 1 ja 8 plus 4, 12. 3 1 ja 3, 8 plus 3, 8 1 ja 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15, 1. 1 1 ja 1 plus 1, 2. Just simple. For that you have to visit our video on shortcut tricks in method, multiplication by 3 digit, on my YouTube channel. You can see it from here. 2 5 6 6 8 upon 5, right? Make a 2 5 6 6 8. We have to 5 5 ja 25, 6 5 1 ja 5, 1 6, 5 3 ja 15, 1 this 8, 5 3 ja 15, 3. Now 5 1 3 3 will become whole, and this remainder 3 will go here. What will be the cost of 186 such designs? Rupees 5133, 3 upon 5. Alright. For shortcut tricks in mathematics, you can refer our YouTube channel under the head shortcut tricks for in mathematics, multiplication for 3 digit numbers. Right? Now sum 13 is just like sum 12. You can do it easily. Now we will move on to sum number 14. 13 is your homework. Now we will move on to question number 14. Question number 14 is advertising a magazine cost rupees 1472, 3 upon 5 per square inch. Find the cost of an advertisement of 17 6 by 7 square inch. Cost of per square inch of advertisement is this. Now we have to find 76 by 6, cost of 76 by 7 square inch of advertisement. Less space, less cost, more space, more cost. For more we have to multiply this. We will make proper fraction, simple fraction of this, and multiply. By multiplying and dividing we have got this answer. Right. Now we will move on to question number 15. Question number 15 is a car traveled from city A to B with a uniform speed of 52 by 7 km per hour. Find the distance between two cities if it took 3 by 8 hours for the car to reach. Find the distance between the two cities. We have to find out the distance between the two cities. Now distance traveled in 1 hour is equal to 5 to 2 by 7 kilometers. Here he has said the car travels from city A to B with a uniform speed of 52 to 7 km per hour. So from here we will assume distance traveled is 152 to by 7 kilometers in 1 hour. Right, now distance traveled in 3 by 8 hours equal to 52 2 by 7 multiplied 3 upon 8. Right, now we will make proper fractions. 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35 plus 1 36, 364. Now we will move on to sum 16. Length of a rectangular plot of land is 29.3 upon 7 meters. If its breadth is 12.8 upon 11 meter, then find its area. Here its length, here its breadth. Area is a rectangular plot is length into breadth. We will do this here, and this will, by making it simple, 4120 upon 11. Now we will make its mixed fraction. Mixed fraction will be this. Answer is 3746 upon 11 square meter. This was all about your exercise 3A of unit 3. If you have understood all the sums, then please like, share, subscribe to more and more students, so that they can also be helped. Right, it's time to say goodbye till the next video.